As most people know, Venus is the planet of love, beauty, and our aesthetic. It can tell us how we go about loving people and expressing that to them. However, it can also tell us what we need from people in our personal relationships to feel satisfied and complete. Chiron was once classified as an asteroid, but now it's considered a comet or a minor planet. And in astrology, it can tell us what we need to heal from and our deepest traumas. When your Venus sign is opposite to somebody's Chiron sign in synastry, it's very possible that the Chiron person is actually triggered by the way that the Venus person shows love. It's also very possible that the Chiron person is triggered by how the Venus person makes money or expresses their beauty, but in any way that it is, Chiron usually feels a little bit more insecure around the Venus person when they're opposite. The Chiron person can see the Venus person as a physical embodiment of the qualities that they lack, and this is why they kind of bring out the insecurities within the Chiron person. In a romantic relationship, this aspect is very difficult because the Chiron person will constantly feel triggered by the way that the Venus person shows love to them. Unless the two are really willing to put in effort and time into building up the emotional stability between the two, it can be very hard to remain in this relationship. When it comes to having this aspect in a friendship, it's very possible that who the Venus person chooses to love or be with can be triggering to the Chiron person, and this can cause a little bit of tension between the two. This aspect doesn't necessarily always have to be negative because the Chiron person can actually learn to accept their shadow self, accept who they are, and realize they don't have to adapt to be who the Venus person is. The Venus person really just loves them for who they are.